Hey guys, today we are going to be doing systems of nonlinear equations. This particular topic doesn't have notes per se. You can write down the examples I do if you would like, but this is actually one of those things that if I just show you how to do it, it's actually very, very easy. So how you want to do it is you will open up Desmos on your computer. Just go to desmos.com and click on the graphing calculator. And over here allows you to type in different functions. So I've got a couple of examples. Like I said, if you want to write these down, you can, or you can just watch and see how this works. It is very, very easy. The first equation I have is y equals x squared plus 5x plus 3. Now, this is one of those things that because we are doing it completely in the calculator, if you type something wrong, you will get a wrong answer. So it is worth the extra second to 2 seconds it takes to double check to make sure you are typing everything correctly, because if you type it wrong, it is going to give you a wrong answer. So I typed a quadratic. Notice I got a picture of a quadratic. If I hit this plus, I can type another equation. I want another expression. So the other expression I have is y equals x plus 3. Now, with systems of nonlinear equations, now this one is linear, but just to show you the example, the goal here is to figure out where these intersect. And the cool thing about Desmos is if you click on the intersection, so I can see that one's here, it tells you the intersection. -4, -1, intersect again here at 0, 3. So the answer to this problem, where do these intersect, it's going to ask you the systems of nonlinear equations is what it's called, but you're just finding where they intersect, and Desmos finds it for you. So if you are capable of typing them incorrectly and then clicking on where the lines intersect, you can do this. I do want one more example that maybe isn't quite as pretty as this one, but this is all that it is, guys. This is a very, very easy topic. So I'm going to take these out. So I have y equals the absolute value. To get absolute value on your keyboard, if you hit shift and then there is a straight up and down bar, 2 buttons above enter on your keyboard, it'll do this. So I want the absolute value of, oops, I forgot to delete the other one out. So shift, get you absolute value. You can also click, there's a button down here that pops up a keyboard and has all sorts of functions down here, including absolute value. So if you forget where it is on the keyboard, you can always come down here to this and it'll give you extra options. So absolute value of x minus 4, we'll close that, minus 2. So I put in an absolute value equation, I get an absolute value picture, and the equation I want it to intersect with is 1/2, oops, sorry, y equals 1/2 to the x power. Now remember, if x is in my exponent, that makes an exponential function. Oh, take it. There we go. Exponential function is the blue one. This one intersects 3 times. So I have an intersection here, and here, and here. So this one has 3 solutions. Now notice these are not always going to be pretty whole numbers. An exponential very often does not have pretty whole numbers. We got lucky with this one. But these aren't pretty, so it's okay for you to round 2 decimal places. I think that's appropriate. So 1.69 and 0.31 are good. Here, 6.02, once you round the 5, rounds the 1 to a 2, and 0.02. If you want to write the whole decimal, that's fine. It's not that many numbers. But that is how you do systems of nonlinear equations. Desmos literally does all the work for you. You just type it in, make sure you type it correctly, and then click on the intersections. All right, guys. Guess that's it for this one. Your classwork will be posted in Google Classroom.